You guys, in this video, I'm going to show one of the genuinely exciting setting in iOS 26. Now users can disable CarPlay screenshots. This is awesome. It's been so annoying having to deal with that all the time. So without further ado, follow my steps. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to General now, find the screen capture option that appears between the picture-in-picture and CarPlay settings. Now, on this screen, you can see CarPlay Screenshots option. Please turn toggle next to it once again. If toggle green, turn it left side to turn off CarPlay Screenshot. That's it. Every time you connect to CarPlay, your iPhone takes a screenshot of the interface, cluttering your gallery and consuming storage space. So guys, disabling this feature keeps your photo library clean, saves space, and protects your privacy, especially if your car screen shows sensitive directions or messages. That's all it takes to clean up your photo library and keep things tidy. If Apple brings more CarPlay customization in future updates, we'll cover it here. So don't forget to like and subscribe.